Welcome to Pharma DRX. Today we came with a new information for the students. That is the Nestle Internship program, Nesternship. Update, upgrade and upskill. They are giving the internship for the different program, and who are eligible for this. We are going to that. Duration for the internship is the 8 weeks, and you will run hand-on exposure to impactful real-world projects under the guidance of an experienced industry mentor. And obviously, you will earn a certificate of experience from the Nestle Amazon vouchers with worth rupees 10,000 and a chance at securing the golden ticket. So in which section they are giving that will I go. What is a golden ticket? The golden ticket is a chance at building a career with the Nestle. The golden ticket helps secure a placement interview for a full-time employment opportunity at Nestle. So you will get one opportunity to give the interview at the Nestle for a full-time employment. Now I'm going to the how you can apply for this job profile for this internship. So there are the different streams: field sales, field nutrition, supply chain, manufacturing and engineering, and corporate function. For the field sales, who can apply? Graduate in any discipline with an interest in sales can apply for this stream. And for field nutrition, B Pharma, M Pharma, Life Sciences, Veterinary, and graduate degrees similar discipline can apply for this internship program. That is the normally field nutrition. So this is the opportunity for the pharma and the life science candidate for applying for this internship program. Now the supply chain who can apply for this, that is the MBA in supply chain or masters in similar discipline. And now I am coming for the manufacturing and engineering, those who can apply B.Tech, BE or masters in similar discipline preferred. And last I am going for the corporate function who can apply for this, the undergraduate postgraduate degree in any associate discipline: HR, legal, corporate finance, sustainability, general business management. So all the students, those are from the undergraduate or the postgraduate, they can apply for the different stream and they can get the golden ticket. Now how can you will do that? You need to log in and sign up first. After that you need to go for the online assessment and complete your assessment on the talent games portal within 72 hours of submitting application. And after that, a review and onboarding. Based on the assessment and profile, successful candidates will be onboarding starting from the April 2024. So after login and sign up, you need to give the online assessment. After that, if you are qualified, they will call you for the April 2024 for the internship program. And how can you will apply? Just here at the apply now button, you will click and you need to do the login and sign up. After that, you can go for this assessment program. So this is a great opportunity for all the candidates, those who are interested for the work with the Nestle India. So this is the Nesternship is the one of the greatest opportunity for the life science candidates as well as the MBA candidates and also for the B.Tech candidates. So those who are interested, apply as soon as possible. Thank you. Follow and subscribe Pharma DRX for daily new pharma and life science job updates.